Hi, I'm Engineer Amora, CEO of the Maris Planner Company. We are specializing of estimation and planning management. I believe of many years experience in management of successful project, both horizontal and vertical project. These are the list of uh, document to make sure to get a profitable project or to win the tender up to the successful implementation. Beside this, also the basic requirements of the tender submission and the implementation document, and it will provide you to minimize assumption in the estimate to avoid losses. So first we have BOQ with the cost analysis. Then we have manpower schedule that will I will explain later. Equipment schedule, why it is necessary, all those document. Material schedule, cash flow is called, is a financial matter. Bar chart, I will show you Primavera schedule and project narratives, quotation, comparison to suppliers. So this is also required to get a competitive price from the supplier, and overhead analysis, contingency analysis, markup and profit analysis. Then all those things is linked to the Primavera structural design, calculation, architectural design, and MAP design. Then competitor analysis, we should know our competitor, status of the competitor. Company, it is huge or a small company. Estimation code list compliance. QC is Qatar Construction Standard Compliance. Then after this one, once we get the project, we have a standard or basic project monitoring control and weekly reports. So prior to start the project, we need a close 14 program to get approval with a resource loaded and progress scrubs which link to the Primavera and progress update and 1 month look ahead program. So to monitor and control the project. Issue of action. Any issue in the site should be recorded and taking action. Then manpower and plan payments logs, all the collection and submission of logs shall be stated also, and updated cash flow and status of transmitter. All the document transmittal shall be recorded, plan versus actual. Materials, shape drawing, transmittal, request for information transmittal. Progress photo. So any by weekly basis, daily we can take photos for record and submit to the client. Even daily report we can submit. Safety and HSA report is necessary also. QQC report, material procurement schedule. So productivity reference standard from the company and awareness of the project failure. So we should know where is our weaknesses, failures to the project. So we should aware so that we can make immediate action. So now I will explain the basically the I will show you once sample program. Sample program. This program is already successful previously. It's done already. So if you notice, there in the programs, all the activities mentioned there is a general requirements, engineering, markup, and procurement activity, construction. As much as possible, the detailed program can uh, minimize, can implement the project on time because you have to monitor by daily each activity, the detailed activity. So if you open the general revision, there are milestone and design control, building project management, preliminary mobilization. If you open the engineering, there is subcontractor, submittal, and approval. There is a approval and method statement the same. and materials, submission and approval. All this activity is necessary to complete the project. Then we have a mock-up. Okay. Now procurement. We have purchase order, structural, architectural, and MEP works. Fabrication and Palestine. Okay. And construction. You have school external, all the activity and close out as built drawing, testing, commissioning, and handing over. So all this activity you have early start, late finish, and pre-plot, plan, percentage, actual percentage. All the activities should be monitored according to the plan, approve this line. Then all this once you prepare this program and get approved, and all the information provided during the tenders will not miss out to complete the project. It will can complete the project on time because by this program can monitor, you can sort out all the 1 week look ahead or daily look ahead. You can sort out. So this program shall be updated. So another example is you have this sample of the BOQ. So the BOQ very specific. Okay, very specific quantity is there and the rate is there. Rate is there and the amount. Everything you have from the from the ground floor, civil works, concrete works, and substructure, and all the MEP, BOQ, everything is there. Okay, so then by making some programming system to the computer to get the doors and window. I have one example here, and I have one example. Like for example, this activity, you have uh, you have uh, you have material cost, rate of the cost and the amount, and labor rate and amount, and total amount. You have tools, equipment, and miscellaneous markup, overhead, profit. So let's say tools is 3%. We have a calculation for this one, and miscellaneous. There is a calculation how we get that 3%, and also 10% of the overhead, how we can derive that one. So one example is here. So let's say the total materials, this is coming derived from this. If you see the total here. This is the total of the materials. Labor 2.7 million, 1.1 for the labor, and total amount is 3.8. Then you have equipment, you have tools equipment 114. This is a small project, but this is one example to give automation to get the project. So 114 miscellaneous 1,000, and markup of it 383, and profit is 958,000. So total is 5.4 million. This is the one. The materials assume that detailed. This link to that sheet. Material is 2.7, the labor is 1.1, the tools is 114, the miscellaneous is 114, and overhead is 383,000, and the profit. So here, if you the 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 management, if you change here, let's say you want 30%, automatically it will distribute to the whole thing. This 5.5. also 5.5.